Last night in a quiet suburban home, something unusual happened. The front door inexplicably locked itself, leaving the family inside with a sense of dread and curiosity about what might be haunting their lives. As they recounted the events of the evening, whispers filled the air, and every creak of the floorboards seemed amplified, hinting at an unseen presence that had taken control of their home. In the midst of their fear, they stumbled upon an old photograph that seemed to hold secrets of its own, revealing that this house had witnessed more than just their lives. It was a witness to a haunting past. Determined to uncover the truth, the family ventured into the attic, hoping that the remnants of the past would shed light on the strange occurrences that had haunted them. As they flipped through the diary, one entry caught their attention, detailing a chilling experience of a family who had once lived there, one that mirrored their own uncanny events. Suddenly, the weight of their discovery sank in. The diary spoke of a curse that had plagued the home for generations, a chilling revelation that left them questioning their safety.